So you'll see it right there. Right here. Put your glasses on then. And then I can't see. Hey guys, welcome back to
Life of SNR.
So we just got this little package in the mail and we wanted to film the process of trying it for the first time because I've never tried it before. That's the brush. Builder gel liquid. Okay, so we have no idea how to do this, but we're just gonna go for it. Okay, so it's supposed to be like a little POLYGEL nail kit. I think that's how you say it. I'm not really sure, but I saw it online and I ordered it like 3 months ago and it just got here. Like I thought they had just played me because I never got it. And the way it came in this little packaging, like I thought it was gonna be like an actual box with this in there arranged all nicely and stuff, but it wasn't. So I'm just gonna give it a try and see what happens. So I'm gonna try it on her because I can't do it on myself and I'm not gonna try it on myself. Maybe I will be able to later, but she's gonna be my first practice. That way I ruin hers instead of mine. Okay, so according to this very few instructions, we're supposed to trim and file the nail lightly and then apply a very thin layer of base coat, which it did not come with. So I have this, which is a gel base and top coat, and it's just transparent. And then I have a gel primer, so I'm gonna put this first and then do this and cure it with the light and then start the poly nail gel. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever, let's just do it. The solution is very tacky, so let's just see what happens, because I feel like I need it to be thicker. Look. And then you're supposed to cure it with the light. They always make everything look so simple in videos.
You know,
How'd you do that?
it's not gonna work.
Because you're not supposed to mess with it. You're supposed to do that and then cure it. So not these? Not this size? There's 3. What the kind of crap? Has to be thicker, I think, right? So this is the first one. I obviously needed more there, so we're gonna go thicker because it seems like it's too thin. Dang, what the? Oh, I think you're supposed to put it in your nail and
See that little thingy?
look at that thick boy.
Oh.
So I think after we do that, we put it on top, we're supposed to turn it around and flatten this side right here with the brush. Now I can't do it because it's thick already because she already cured it. So yeah, don't do that.
Well, it looks kind of cute from the front.
Just don't turn it over. Why did the videos make it seem like it's so simple? Why? Why?
Whatever, man.
I quit.
I know you're hopping from cooking. So there's that.
Why did the sides keep going like that? I'm putting enough on the sides and they're still not good enough. Why are they crooked? So if you ask me, I would definitely not recommend this because I've been at it for like an hour already. They're not look as good as I thought they were gonna look, or as good as those videos that I saw were doing them and made it seem super easy.
So these are my nails, guys. In case you were wondering what they looked like right now.
Super crusty. It's just I don't get why they don't make them wide enough to cover the sides too. Like seeing this right here, and if we go bigger then they come out here, but it's not, they're just not proportional basically. See, they're wider here at the bottom and then they go thin. Like whose nails are super wide at the bottom and then thin on top?
They just get stuck in there.
Your ring finger. Let me see.
I want this one. I want you to take that one off.
Oh my goodness.
Ow.
I give up.
So cute.
Maybe on camera you can't really see much imperfections, enough imperfections, but I see them all.
How can they not? First of all, look at that middle finger. It's crooked and thin.
So I definitely don't recommend buying this. First of all, it doesn't come with the primer, or not the primer, but the base gel coat that it says to put on first. And then there's barely anything left here because we used a lot on some and just wasted it basically, because look at all that. Or maybe it's just us because we don't know how to do it, but I think the little kit was $20. It took 3 months to get here, and these instructions right here are not enough. And even though I watched some videos, I tried doing what they do in the videos and it still did not work. So do not buy, I'm sorry, but I usually don't leave bad reviews, but this one's gonna have one for sure. And this little LED light I got at Walmart, this one I would recommend buying. You can just buy the gel polish that dries up with this light and it actually works really good.
This thing though, best thing ever.
And this did come with a kit, so that's the only thing. So if this is worth $20, I guess it's worth it, but I don't think it's worth $20.
So for some reason my middle fingers are crooked or something, and they were both ugly, so we're redoing those.
You definitely need a lot of patience with these things, and that's something I'm not, so don't ever ask me to do your nails again.
Also, it burns.
Because we keep doing those middle fingers over and over again.
That's much better.
Let me file them.
I want them almond, not coffin. Almond.
You must believe they're gonna be square.
I don't want them squared.
Yeah, I'll file them. So here's another Amazon find that we use for filing our nails. Put whichever one you want on it. Comes with all these little heads. What are they called?
Shower heads.
What? And then it's battery operated, so we just press here. And then
Background is so bad, movie. So there's a bunch of what is it? Gel down here. So I'm gonna try to file it. So this is what they look like now. I'm gonna try to fix them, and I'm gonna show y'all in a bit. Okay.
Okay, so she tried fixing them, and the only thing she was able to do is get them to look like this. So they don't look as bad from far away, like we said on our other DIY nail video.
Let me tell you, I kind of like them now.
I just need to apply that clear coat on them, this one, and then cure them with the light again, and it's just gonna be like a shiny coat. I would definitely not recommend this. It's too much work. It's very sticky, tacky, hard. Maybe it's just us, because I've seen other girls that have done it before and they have no problem whatsoever, but we did because we had no idea what we were doing to begin with. Maybe we practice more, but the kit I got for $20, which is this little thing right here, and there's barely any left, I will not purchase again, because I was expecting it to be something bigger that I was going to be able to use several times for that price. And like I said, it doesn't come with the gel coat or the primer or any of the other things that we had to use in order to get them looking like that. Like if it's a whole kit, I'd expect it to come with everything that we need, so they'll look good. So let us know if you've tried this, if you were able to get pretty nails with this kit or any other kit on Amazon. Well, actually we didn't get this one from Amazon. That's why I think that's why it took 3 months to get here. I got it off you know, one of those sponsor ads you see on Instagram, and they catch your eye and you just go on it and purchase it without even knowing what it is or if it's gonna work or not, and then you expect it to get here in like a week or two, and it gets here in 3 months. So yeah, never again. Don't purchase from those ads, or at least not the one I did. I don't know about the others, but I would definitely try to look for something on Amazon next time. The color, I picked that color because they had different options for different colors, because I like that one. So the color's nice. I really like the color. It's just the whole process of putting them on and getting them right and them not fitting your fingers properly and all that I didn't like. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed at least a little bit of what we did. Let us know if you tried it, or if there's any suggestions of what we should do next, or instead next time we do them. Maybe something else you want to suggest for us to use when it comes with doing our nails on our own, because as you've seen from past videos, that's what we do, to not go to nail salons or pay extra. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next one. Bye. Peace.